Look out, villains, this cat car's fast. Go, cat, go, leader of the team. Fastest cat you've ever seen. Go, cat, go, race into the night. Gonna save the day at the speed of light. Oh no, it's Romeo for a ball shot. Night ninja sticky splash, super cat roar. Luna girls, Luna Ray. With the cat car, he'll save the day. First gear, wheel spin. Sorry, villains, we win. Second gear, engine roar. Cat car burning up the floor. Third gear, we're getting fast. Fourth gear, we're gonna blast. Go, cat, go, leader of the team. Fastest cat you've ever seen. Go, cat, go, race into the night. Gonna save the day. The cat car's on its way at the speed of light. Go, cat, go, go.
It's time to be a hero. With super moves and cool girl power.
Well, well, well.
Darkest hour, she can fly and she can see anything. Action first, ask questions.
I never would have discovered I get to see that guy again.
Faces danger in the night.
Remember what happens on February?
She blows those villains out of sight. Owl wing wind.
I created that saga dedicated to the Starscream clones.
Flying hero with just a flap of her wings. She can do anything. Super owl wings. Hey, hey, owlet, amazing owlet. With PJ Masks, she always comes through with spotting clues, awesome moves. In the night, she saves the day. Yeah. Hey, hey, owlet. Here come the PJ
Tonight we're gonna draw Ramjet,
the PJ Riders.
G1 style.
It's the PJ Riders. The PJ Riders. Catboys, cat striking unites the powers of speed and pouncing might. The nighttime baddies are out of sight. When cat striking strikes, you better watch out, watch out. It's the PJ Riders and they're back in town. We've got that animal power now.
Oh yeah.
By the power of speed, by the power of flight, by the power of a lizard's might. Here come the PJ Riders. Here come the PJ Riders. It's the PJ Riders. Owlets, eagle, owl, flies.
Much like on the original series, Ramjet is a liar. I feel like he is as well in the G1 series. Back then, his name, he has a relation to Dead End. Remember I drew him? Xavier Paul Ghetto. I am fascinated by your work, and I hope to see you again soon.
He's got the tail swipe that keeps the baddies away. He's got the muscle, the might, it's PJ Masks. Heroes unite! Here come the PJ Riders. Here come the PJ Riders. It's the PJ Riders.
trouble in the middle of the night. I'm Night Ninja. Breaking all the rules, I'm the coolest of the cool. I'm Night Ninja. I'm Night Ninja. I'm Night Ninja. I'm Night Ninja.
Here we are. Much like Blitzwing, Ramjet is, well, what's the word again? Incredibly stupid?
I'm number one.
I mean, the more he lies, the more dumber he becomes.
I've got a robot. I call the shots. When it comes to being a villain, I'm on target. I am gonna take over the world. I am.
Unlike him, I know how to lie better. For starters, well, I know I have my other careers up and going, but I will continue to do this episode just once in a while. I'll just post them once a day by the end of the month. End of each month. Well, that wasn't exactly a lie.
You've ever seen. Jump into the water and he's ready to go. Swimming so fast after Romeo. He may be the youngest behind the wheel, but no one looks cooler in the Gecko-mobile. Get out of the way, shoots a strong spray. This car can do anything. Whip its tail and peel out of sight. It can go where you've never been. It's a Gecko-mobile. The Gecko-mobile. Long and green, it's the coolest machine that you've ever seen. Oh, Gecko-mobile. Gonna try together, try together. Even if we miss on the first shot, we'll try it again and we'll get to the top. Let's go, PJ Masks. We're gonna work together. If there's a mountain too hard to climb, if there's a wall that's a little too high, if we see villains looking for a fight, one more shot and we'll rule the night. Gecko has super might. Owlet flies in the sky. Catboy comes to lead the way. We're the PJ Masks and we'll save the day. Gonna try together. Try together. Cause we're better, we're taller, we're faster, we're stronger. Let's go, PJ Masks. We're gonna win together.
Sorry for that.
Looks like the city needs our help, and we need you. So let's get ready together, okay? In 3, 2, 1, let's go! Uh-oh, put on your hero clothes. Uh-oh, it's time for us to go on a mission. So everybody listen, everybody listen. It's your time to be a PJ Mask. Everybody come on. We're gonna use our super owl wings on lizard grip and
There we are.
super cat speed. We're gonna imagine and play with PJ Masks. We'll save the day. Oh, we're all PJ Masks.
Alexa, who is Blitzwing?
Blitzwing is the name of several fictional characters in the various Transformers continuities in the Transformer Robot superhero franchise. He is always depicted as a Decepticon with two alternate forms, that of a tank and that of a jet.
We're gonna use our gecko shield, our super owl eyes, and super cat ears. We're gonna imagine and play, 'cause in the night we save the day. Oh, we're all PJ Masks. Oh, we're all PJ
everything.
I'm Romeo.
I know deep down he can turn into a Super Saiyan.
I'll rule the world just like a king.
Or at least trigger a Super Saiyan's energy.
Robot, I've got a master plan. Get the PJ pests, 'cause I know I can. Hey, I'm Romeo. I'm gonna take over the world. And don't you know, no one is ever gonna stop me from taking over the world.
There we are. There he is. That's how you draw a ramjet. I mean, this guy has a cone head. Just like Patrick. Except Patrick is not evil. Seriously. I don't know why I depicted this guy. I mean, this is literally one of the most complicated bosses I drew. But, hey, I feel like there are other Decepticons related to him. And this was definitely not the most boring. You know what I'm saying? Shut up!